was just here maybe 2 hours ago. How did I get here again? My 9 to 5 hours are draining all my energy. How did I get here again? My melodramatic nature's gonna do me in. How did I get here again? Now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Bristol. We've come down to see a thing that's been put on by the people who run the Bristol Lights Festival. If you didn't see that video, I'll put a link up there for you. But yeah, I decided to, rather than park in Bristol, thought we'd come down on the bus, try the public transport. We've got a bit of time, so actually we've had a coffee and then we've come up to this place here. This is called Forbidden Planet and it's full of lots of wonderful things. If you're into sci-fi, if you're into anything like that, there's books, there's comics, there's maths, there's, yeah, you name it, it's got it. It's my daughter's favourite shop, so I said, yeah, let's go there first so she can buy some books to add to her, her collection of manga books. So 3 books purchased. I think it's time to go and find the bus now, and we're going to go back down to where the Lights Festival is. So we've got a little bit of time to kill, so my darling daughter has decided she wants to go and look in an art shop, so that's what we're going to do. Remind me never to take the kids shopping. What do you think, guys? Should we go up it? Up the big wheel? Yeah, so she persuaded me we're going on the big wheel. I don't know why. We get a good view up here, I guess. Overlooking Bristol. Have a little look around, see what's behind me. So you can see the church over there, and the event we're going to is that just behind that church, well, cathedral. It's a good view though of the city of Bristol. And then over to this side you can see the harbour side. Perrow's Bridge. Oh look, they've got a Bristol beach bar down there. Time for some drinks and dodging cars and things. And the big silver ball of a planetarium. And more the harbour side behind. Well, not sure if that was worth the £10 for the 5 minutes we had on there, three trips around, but hey, it was good fun. She enjoyed it. Well, We Are the Curious is closed at the moment because we had a big fire, so can't go in there. But it's time to head up back to the cathedral and back to go into this thing. And I'll be honest, I don't actually know what the thing is. Other than it's done by the Bristol Light Festival, I've seen a few photos, but it's inflatable. So we're walking inside this inflatable thing. I'm guessing there's going to be lights in there, but I don't know if that's lights illuminated from the outside or lights being artificially illuminated. You guys are going to find out at the same time as me. that was good fun. Slightly different than I expected. And everything was being lit artificially, I guess, through all the sort of elements within here. The windows, so you can see the blue on the outside is actually blue windows. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Not bad for a free event. So we enjoyed it. I did a little video as well that I put on my Instagram story. So maybe you should be following Instagram, but maybe I'll put a little preview up here for you. So yeah, this outside kind of makes sense now, with all the little balls and that sort of thing. So each of these were rooms and little tunnels, and you can see where the coloured bits of plastic are. That's what's letting the light through into the rooms as well as in the roof. And then right there at the back, there's that big spaceship type room. So pretty cool design. Thank you. So yeah, grabbed a quick coffee after that, and as you can see we're now back. Decided to grab some food, so we are having good old pizza. Yeah, so I've got myself a nice meat feast there. That's probably where we're going to end the video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, as usual, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit.